Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with outside kitchen refrigerator, backup camera ready, double step entry, stabilizer jacks, outside storage, outside shower, LED exterior lighting, spare tire and carrier, solar power prep, full walk-on roof, digital TV antenna, outside speakers, flip-down travel rack, flush mount gas range cover, interior speakers, dual bedroom nightstands, living area sofa, rear bath, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, detachable power cord, mini blinds, queen size bed, pleated shades, shower skylight, overhead kitchen storage, vanity with sink, bathroom toilet, closets on both sides of the bed, overhead storage. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.